Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Monday, August 5th, 2024. And right now it's 11. It's kind of late. What a significant day. So when Sunday the market opened, we could go back and take a look. The basically market opened down, and it opened down by 46 points. So that's out of the gate. That's kind of like looking to drop 81 points. So we see that it opened kind of down and come back, but it stopped right at this opening range here, and later it started kind of after hitting there, it started going down, and then it broke below the opening zone, and then continuing going down, and so this is the level that it hit the 81, 86 level. So after that, it come back a bit above. I mean, yeah, almost kind of probably twice the below above here, but it's below this opening zone, and later basically is going down steadily, and this actually finished the symmetric move, and it did not bounce, and it go very quickly to a lot further. So if we look at this, and this is another 40 point, basically another over 40 points, almost like 41 points, and here is another one. So by 12 o'clock in the morning here is over 160 points already, and later it was able to come back pretty good. Here is coming back for about almost 40 points. No, actually it's almost 80 points, not 80 points, but almost 80 points, and that's already volatile enough, right? And later it continue come down here, and we would think that would be the bottom, because here is 160 points already. How much more that we should be asking for, right? And but later it continue to break below this level, and it's kind of almost sort of accelerated, and at 8:30 is down to 51.20. That's at the futures level, and it's fascinating that later it came back a lot here. So here is 140 points, here is 80 points, here is 120 points. So yeah, pretty much here is 1, 2, 3. Here it's almost probably 160 points here. I did not do a math here, but it seems like getting close to 160 points here. No wonder it kind of peak out here, I guess. So on the SP 500 index side, and the market open is pretty bearish, as we can see here at 9:30, and it's it came back down a lot, but it's something like that kind of like I guess here is showing some strength that is able to come back by like say like over 40 points. So it came back down here, and then basically it was able to stop right here, around here, not 30, and it's here. So on here the base is basically it's like a 51.82 and 84, something like that. Yes. So this one came back down, and it's almost kind of making a symmetric move. So it's down here actually for about 63 points, and later it came back up here, and this is the symmetric level of 52.46. So he went a little bit above there, but later basically is coming back down and steady coming back down to this base level 51.82 and 84. So at the close it closed right around at the middle. The midpoint here is about it's a 51.85, so it closed at 51.86, and but actually that's a good sign for the market. It was able to for such a big day, it was able to close a little bit kind of slightly above this midpoint here, and the futures are already open, and actually I guess we probably all was surprised that it's actually it gap up by 31 point. I mean it opened up by 31 point, not a true gap up, and it was able to push above there. So it's already looking at like to push for a move to about 65 points, and as we can see here, and this actually broke above this 65 points move level. So I would say tomorrow likely is going to you want to move like 130 points, and we shall see. And but that's very likely that's going to happen tomorrow. And as of right now, market looks really strong. But overnight, I won't be surprised that if say it made a symmetric move, basically this will come back down to 52.6. No, it's a 52.64 level, and that could be something pretty interesting. Yeah, 52.64 level, and it could even come back down here, or say kind of a 52.60 level, and just see how things are going to kind of play around. And it's as we have at the beginning here, this is the biggest title is coming from the trading economics. Basically it's saying that Japan stocks are rebounding 10% after massive rout. It's going to be very interesting to see what's going to happen tomorrow. But as of right now, everything seems like back. It's not really a big concern here. And here is the economic handle for Tuesday. And for Tuesday at 8:30, that's like a trade data, balance of trade, imports, exports, and 8:55 also comes with red book, and 1010 is that economic optimism index, and 11 o'clock have the total household debt, and 11:30 have, as usual, have the treasury auctions. At 1 o'clock it also have the treasury auctions, and that's pretty much about it. After the market close, it has a API crude oil inventory, and we shall see. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, tomorrow likely it's going to push for like 130 points, and we shall see whether it can get there or not. But as of right now, is swung back up here, and I would say this is the base. It's like a 52.84-ish. That's one important base, and it may just chop around here and make a symmetric move, and then it may call it for the day, but not likely. I personally believe it's based on the strength seen right now, it should kind of keep going up. Thank you. Yeah, on the downside, then yeah, of course it could move down to by another this much, so another 80 points, and that essentially means like a 5100 level. So thank you. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.